Let's DIY one of these long bunny signs from the Dollar Tree. He's pretty cute already, but I'm going to show you how I made him a little porch sitter for my front porch, and he turned out so cute. The first thing I did was I popped off the little pump out pieces here, like the little brim of his hat, his little hand, but I don't want to rip the paper too much, so I made sure to glue that back down. I'm also going to try to tone down a little bit of the glitter on him if I can with the sanding sponge, but kind of rough the sign up in general. I want to replace a lot of things on him with some burlap and some fun textures to make him look really cute. He was a hanging sign, so I just took a little bit of spackle, filled in the holes there for his ears. I want to make him a standing sign. And again, I want to tone down a lot of the glitter and stuff that's going on here. For the inside of the ears, I'm just going to cover it with burlap. I'm using some burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And basically, I want to cut it down to the same thing that was on there before, the pink glitter. Using some Mod Podge to glue that down, you can't tell that it was all glittery and everything underneath of it. I take the other half of that strip and we're going to do the other bunny ear the same. I love the fact that he's blue. I wanted him to kind of go with my coastal Easter theme and to look really cute sitting on a table next to my front door for Easter. So I wanted to give him some burlap and some coastal touches to mine. I also take that matte Mod Podge and use it on his nose and his paws to tone that down a little bit. For the brim of his hat, I just use the sanding sponge to kind of rough up the edges a little bit to give it a little bit more character. I'm going to replace his purple bow tie with a little burlap bow tie by just cutting down, again, a piece of that burlap. You could also use the burlap roll from the Dollar Tree. This is the burlap ribbon. And I just tied it into a little bow tie by wrapping some twine around a couple of pieces like that and try to cut off any of the fraying. We can attach that to his neck, and then he has like a little patch here on his overalls. I'm going to make that burlap as well. I'm not going to worry about the carrot right now. I want to replace that anyway with another carrot, and I'm going to use one of the string carrots from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to glue that on in place over the carrot before I can make this look a little bit more 3D by gluing the little bunny hand back on holding the carrot. And I like his blue and white shirt. I like his overalls. He does have another little patch down here, a little purple patch. And I use that for inspiration where to put my next piece of burlap. He's looking pretty cute. With his little coastal makeover to make him stand up, I'm just going to use a paper towel holder from the Dollar Tree. This makes a great stand. It's actually really pretty strong. I'm going to attach it with hot glue here to the back of the sign. And this is a fun way that you can take one of these long board signs from the Dollar Tree and inexpensively make it into a standing sign. There he is, our little bunny. A few little coastal touches. The burlap is so fun. If you'd like any more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.